Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans would be unable to cover an unexpected $1,000 expense without going into debt? Yet, the secret to wealth isn't about earning more. It's about making your money work for you. In this guide, you'll unlock the strategies high earners use not just to save, but to multiply their wealth. From the essentials of smart budgeting and investing to the art of tax optimization and creating passive income streams, we'll take you step by step through the process. Think of this as your roadmap to financial independence, a journey where your income is just the starting point. Ready to redefine your financial future? Let's dive into a world where financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's your reality. Join us as we unravel the secrets to building lasting wealth on a high income. This isn't just another finance guide. It's the blueprint to a life you've always wanted. Let the journey begin. Chapter 1. Introduction to Financial Freedom. Financial freedom isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. Imagine not worrying about your next bill or your job stability. That's financial freedom. Surprisingly, a hefty paycheck doesn't guarantee this freedom. It's what you do with that paycheck that matters. As Robert Kiyosaki wisely said in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, it's not about earning more, but about building assets that work for you. Chapter 2. Understanding your high income. Earning a high income is a great start, but it's not the finish line. It's a tool to build wealth. However, a high salary often comes with high spending and sometimes even higher taxes. Did you know that according to the IRS, the top 1% of earners pay nearly 40% of all federal income taxes? This shows the importance of not just earning well, but managing that income smartly. Chapter 3. Setting financial goals. Setting financial goals is like having a roadmap. Without goals, you're driving blind. Start with the end in mind. What's your ultimate financial goal? Retirement by 50? Own a beach house. Setting SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, goals can turn these dreams into achievable targets. A study by Dominican University showed that writing down your goals significantly increases your chances of achieving them. Chapter 4. Creating a budget that works. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about liberation. It gives you control over your finances rather than your finances controlling you. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple yet effective way to budget. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This method, popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren in All Your Worth, can be a game changer for high earners. Chapter 5. Emergency funds, your safety net. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's the buffer between you and life's unexpected expenses. Dave Ramsey recommends saving 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Why? Because life is unpredictable. A 2020 survey found that 40% of Americans would struggle to cover a $400 emergency expense. With a solid emergency fund, you won't be part of that statistic. Chapter 6. Paying off debt versus investing. The debate between paying off debt and investing is a classic one. The answer? It depends on your situation. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, should generally be paid off first. But if your debt has low interest, you might be better off investing. The stock market has historically returned about 7% annually, adjusted for inflation. If your debt interest is lower than this, investing could be more beneficial in the long run. Chapter 7. Investment basics for high earners. Investing is like planting a tree. The best time was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. For high earners, understanding the basics of the stock market, bonds, and mutual funds is crucial. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market that counts. As Warren Buffett puts it, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Remember, the average return of the S&P 500 over the last 90 years is about 10% annually. Let your money work for you. Chapter 8. Advanced Investment Strategies. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to explore advanced investment strategies. Ever heard of dollar cost averaging? It's an investor's best friend, allowing you to reduce the impact of market volatility. Diversification is another key term. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. And don't forget about tax-efficient investing. Utilizing accounts like Roth IRAs or 401k can significantly impact your after-tax returns. Chapter 9. Tax planning and optimization. Taxes can eat into your earnings like nothing else. But with smart planning, you can minimize your tax burden. Income through long-term investments is taxed at a lower rate than regular income. Ever wondered why? It's the government's way of encouraging investing. Also, consider the magic of retirement accounts. Contributions to traditional IRAs or 401ks can lower your taxable income, giving you a dual benefit of saving for retirement and saving on taxes now. Chapter 10. Retirement planning. Retirement planning is not just for the old. The earlier you start, the better. Compounding interest is the eighth wonder of the world, as Einstein allegedly said. If you start investing in your retirement at 25 rather than 35, you could have twice as much money by the time you retire. Tools like 401ks and IRAs are your best friends here. The catch is, there's a limit to how much you can contribute each year, so make sure you're maximizing these opportunities. Chapter 11. Real estate investing. Real estate might not be as liquid as stocks, but it's a tangible asset that can provide both income through rentals and potential appreciation in value. Did you know that about 90% of the world's millionaires have been created by investing in real estate, according to Andrew Carnegie? Whether it's flipping houses or owning rental properties, real estate offers a unique blend of risk and reward. Plus, there are tax advantages specific to real estate investing that can be quite lucrative. Chapter 12. Building multiple income streams. Relying solely on your high income is like walking a tightrope without a safety net. Building multiple income streams can provide security and accelerate your wealth building. Passive income from investments like dividend-paying stocks or rental properties means you're earning money while you sleep. The key is diversification. By having income come from various sources, you're not just building wealth, you're also protecting it against the volatility of any single income source. Chapter 13. Protecting your wealth. Protecting your wealth isn't just about making money, it's about ensuring it stays with you. Insurance plays a pivotal role here. Think of insurance as a goalkeeper in soccer. It's there to prevent unexpected events from wiping out your financial goals. Whether it's life, health, or property insurance, having the right coverage is essential. And let's not forget about estate planning. It's not the most cheerful subject, but having a will and setting up trusts ensures your wealth benefits the people or causes you care about, not just the tax man. Chapter 14. Wealth and lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation is like quicksand for your financial goals. It's tempting to spend more as you earn more, but this can derail your path to financial freedom. Remember, true wealth is not about owning the latest luxury car or the biggest house. It's about having the freedom to make choices that make you happy. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals in the world, still lives in the house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. Why? Because more stuff doesn't equal more happiness. Budgeting for fun is important, but so is maintaining a lifestyle that your future self will thank you for. Chapter 15. The role of mindset in wealth building. Your mindset can be your greatest asset or your biggest liability. Developing a wealth-building mindset means focusing on what you can control: your income, your spending, and your investments. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. According to Carol S. Dweck's mindset, adopting a growth mindset, the belief that your abilities can be developed, plays a crucial role in overcoming challenges and achieving success. Remember, every millionaire and billionaire started with the belief that they could achieve their financial goals. Cultivate positivity, resilience, and a lifelong learning attitude to pave your way to financial freedom. Chapter 16. Learning from successful wealth builders. Studying the habits and strategies of successful wealth builders offers invaluable lessons. Did you know that many self-made millionaires share common habits such as reading regularly, continuously learning, and prioritizing their health? For instance, Bill Gates reads 50 books a year, highlighting the importance of continuous learning. These individuals also understand the power of networking and the value of mentorship. Connecting with people who have been where you want to go can provide insights and opportunities that are not available anywhere else.